Hey, welcome back to the channel. You already know, AI is changing everything. But while everyone's talking about chatbots, copywriting, or selling digital art with AI, there's a whole underworld of side hustles that barely get mentioned. And these are the quiet earners. The ones where you don't need to be a tech genius, just smart about your time and tools. So today, we're diving into 5 emerging, under-the-radar passive income streams using AI. The kind of stuff most people haven't even heard of yet. Let's get into it. So here's one almost nobody talks about. Using AI to generate audiobooks, but not just any audiobooks. We're talking ultra-niche, evergreen topics like meditations for dental students, or sleep stories for people with tinnitus. With tools like 11 Labs or Murph.ai, you can create realistic voiceovers. Combine that with AI-written scripts and license-free background music. And boom, you've got an audiobook. Then, you publish them on Audible through ACX, or even on your own website or Gumroad for recurring sales. Low cost. Low maintenance. Super scalable. This one's for the productivity nerds. People are making passive income by creating AI-enhanced Notion templates. Things like goal trackers that come with AI-assisted journaling, or content calendars that generate post ideas on their own. Here's the trick. You combine AI tools like ChatGPT with Notion's database features, and then sell it on marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. Bonus points if you bundle it with a quick video tutorial using AI voiceovers. You make it once, and it sells while you sleep. You've heard of faceless YouTube channels, but most people do the same stuff, motivational videos or listicles. Here's the twist. Focus on ultra-specific, underrepresented niches. Think, AI-generated bedtime stories for adults, or daily brain training minigames. Use ChatGPT for the scripts, Pictory or HeyGen for visuals and narration, and schedule content weeks in advance. Monetize with YouTube ads, digital products, or affiliate links. It's not overnight money, but it snowballs fast if you're consistent. Okay, this one is a bit more advanced, but still doable, micro SaaS with AI backends. Think, small web apps that solve niche problems using AI. Like a resume fixer for ESL speakers, or an AI tool that writes wedding speeches. You don't need to build it yourself. Hire a developer on Fiverr or Upwork to turn your idea into a working site using AI APIs like OpenAI or Cohere. Charge a small subscription, promote it in niche forums or Reddit threads, and boom, recurring income. And finally, this one's sneaky brilliant. You take long, boring business or academic courses, run them through AI summarizers, and turn them into digestible cheat sheets or busy person's guides. Then, you sell access to a growing library of summaries. You can even turn it into a newsletter model or a Patreon membership. People will gladly pay for saved time, especially students, corporate workers, and lifelong learners. And there you have it, 5 AI side hustles nobody's really talking about, but that are quietly building passive income streams for people who are thinking outside the box. If any of these sparked an idea, don't sleep on it, take one and run with it. The earlier you start, the more space you'll have to grow before everyone else catches on. And hey, drop a comment with which hustle you'd try first, or if you've got another secret AI idea, I'd love to hear it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. More behind-the-scenes ideas coming soon. Catch you in the next one.